Alright, well, I just built my new one-man lab at 14 by 20. And it's pretty cool man cave. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is how I'm transitioning away from natural gas and propane. And I bought this electrical soldering station. Alright. It has dual temperatures. Blowgun, soldering gun. They're both run on their own temperature. So let's see what this thing can do. I remove the blowgun from the cradle. It automatically goes up to temperature. Look at it climb. 790, that's about where I want it. I use the blowgun to soften the wax instead of a flame. Excuse me. I've already got the vertical dimensions set with the doctor's desired opening. And here's the cool part about the blowgun. First off, I'm not burning my fingers because I ain't stupid. And then secondly, I put it back in the cradle, it starts cooling off. Look at that temperature climb down. Alright, so with that being said, let's move this here. Now I know this is going to be thicker than most night guards I do. So I'm probably going to have to have a second pass on that occlusive surface. Alright. So there, that's what I was talking about, second pass. You know, I remember back in the 80s, man, when I first started, first time I ever waxed anything, I was using a solder. Yes, sir. That's how I learned to wax. So for me, this is coming home, but what really blows my mind is I never expected to use the blowgun as much as I have. And I use that blowgun all the time. We'll go around that with it. Crazy. Shit, how did I get all twisted up already? That's the worst problem I've found so far is I get all twisted up. Cables. That thing shut off all by itself. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so let's see where I'm at. Look how good it was at last. Oops. Cut it a little short back over here on the second molar. Put that in. People. I'll continue to shape that pallet. By the way, I always make night guards on dupes. Remember, regardless of how great a technician you are, you cannot guarantee that your prosthetics will fit the dupe. No one cares about your dupe. You have to guarantee that your prosthetics will fit the master cast. And the only way to do that is with a high decolloid dupe and you process on the dupe. Anything less than that, you're hanging yourself. We got good at this. I like that. See if I can squish it. Oh man, I got to make a lot of squishing in there. I built that up a little too much. Oh, there we go. I got a touch of pin right there. Yeah. You heard that click? You need more proof than that? You're a little slow. Aha! Alright, so, look at that. That's everything we need right there. So now it's just a matter of the cleanup. Now, I am not a fan of the articulators I'm using. I just got a good deal on a bunch of them, so I went with it. I just grabbed the number 7. And there's one thing I like that one of my men had used with the Snyder challenged me a few years back. They stopped using waxers. Just because, you know, in our environment sometimes you go into areas where they may not have those. They may not have roads. So she convinced me to give this a try. Seven R Buffalo. Doesn't matter where you go, they've always got a 7. Thank you. I'm such a youngster, I appreciate that. Oh, see, that's a little too thin right there on that cusp. So I gotta add a little wax right there. Big thing I can say, people, no matter how old you get, no matter how long you've been doing this shit, please stay curious, keep learning, when you get to the point where you know everything, you really shouldn't be doing a job anymore. I've been doing this stuff for 40 years. And I still learn every day. Look at that little boy right there. Just in case any of y'all's wondering, I happen to be drinking some green tea. And if anybody will leave that, you're too stupid to ride the horse you rode in on out of here. So I'm gonna mount it up again so I can heat it up, smooth it, make it pretty. I get my flame, and I'm not really worried about anything in there. I do not have the best flame. This flame sucks. The trigger on this flame sucks. Okay. Notice I'm leaving all that there. I'm going to grind it all the way. Oops. I want to see those cracks. All right, here we go. Tomorrow, I mean, it's 9:15 p.m. here now. Tomorrow, I will invest and process that on an 11-hour cure, and it'll be lovely. Thanks for tuning in, people.